Start on oil too. Okay, that's not bad. Oil has given an engulfing candle here. Yep, so we can look for a sell. Where do you want to target? This looks like there is more room to the downside. Right, so when I'm doing this, sometimes it will, what's the word I'm looking for? Sometimes I will forget about myself, okay, and I'll leave the stop loss here. If it's an engulfing candle, go with what I've just taught you today, right? Just leave your stop loss a little bit above, because sometimes I'll just, because I'm drawing here and I'm focused on price, not what I'm doing with this, I might leave it just there, right? So just go with leaving a little bit of room above. And I think first TP, they're looking to drop in. This has been balanced, so your gap is here, gap is there. And we have equal low. I think there's huge room to the downside if this thing decides to fall. Weekly imbalance in here, and then that one. Go back to the daily. Yep, right here. Yeah, so that's where I think price is going. If it pulls back, use the ATM method. When I say ATM method, basically a pullback to the order block. That's what it is. Okay, and then it sells short. This is your targets, and then leave something on for that imbalance here. So depending on how much you can put on, you can leave something on here. I don't think on the T40, I'm not sure whether we can take oil. I've not taken oil before in my personal one, so I'll check and see if it can be taken, then we can take it on it. If not, then just take it on your personal account.